Hey guys, Matt here again with T-Rex. We're upstairs in the South Hall, the 2018 SEMA show. We found this incredibly well-built Jeep JL here in the Napier booth. They manufacture these mobile tent systems for a lot of off-road vehicles, Jeeps, trucks. Let me show you a closer look around this Jeep because you really need to get up close and personal with it to really appreciate the work that was done to it. Right off the bat, what you notice is it's got a flat red metallic wrap on it, but it's more than just that. The closer you get, you see that it's a paint wrap hybrid, and the trim is done so well. I mean, somebody took the time to really map this out and cut it to like a precision finish on these gaps and on these shut lines. It's got the new rigid adapt light bars on the hood and on the roof. But we're here because we helped them out with this build by providing our brand new Jeep JL Billet Series Black laser cut grill, which is a one-piece insert that bolts in from behind. It's laser cut, so it's got a 3D shape to it to where the bars come out and meet the face of the Jeep grill. It's got a worn winch. It's got a road armor bumper. If you look at the suspension, the shocks are like nothing I've never seen. I mean, I could stare at that shock all day. All-con brakes. Side armor, unique side steps. And again, you got side armor here. And if you get close to these gaps, they're flawless. They're completely flawless all the way around the door line. Somebody planned this out. This was a lot more than just sticking wrap on a Jeep. We'll come all the way around, show you their camping system, and bring you all the way back around the front again. So again, thanks for watching our continued coverage, and make sure to check back for more coverage from SEMA Show 2018.